Pennsylvania, South Carolina, you yeah? Georgia, where Hunter be? Florida, where Hunter be? Okay, so we got all the Gullah Geechee Nation right here with we and all the rest of the 100 children were there from the rest of the United States around the world. We're so glad that the 100 children to join.
At the National Landmark Historic District called Penn Center, right here upon historic Helena Island, South Kakalaki. Or this year feature. Yes, DJ Apollo, DJ Kwame Cheyenne, turn it up, and the one and only songstress, Adrian Johnson. Gullah Geechee Bike and Beauty is back, so rev up and roll out. All the black bikers need to be on the campus. Let's go! Be a party of fun, true, authentic, and proud Gullah Geechee. Wanna chillin', come for join me. Get your tickets on Eventbrite and bring the entire family. Right here on historic Helena Island at the Penn Center, Saturday, July 27, 2024. Starting at noon. All week wine past shree. All the children be there. We be Gullah Geechee.